Chapter review. To compare values measured in dollars in different years, the nominal values must be converted to real values. Real GDP equals nominal GDP divided by the price level and multiplied by 100. The real wage rate measures the quantity of goods and services that an hour's work can buy. It equals the nominal wage rate divided by the CPI and multiplied by 100. The real interest rate equals the nominal interest rate minus the inflation rate. Practice problems. The table above shows minimum wage and the CPI for 6 different years. The reference base year is 1982-84. Calculate the real minimum wage in each year in 1982-84 dollars. Using the CPI to adjust nominal values to real values is a key use of the CPI. To convert the nominal minimum wage rate in the table to real prices, divide the price of CPI in that year and multiply by 100. In 1955, the nominal minimum wage rate was 0.75 an hour and the CPI was 26.7. So the real minimum wage is 7.75 over 26.7 times 100 equals $2.81. In which year was the minimum wage the highest in real terms? In real terms, the minimum wage was highest in 1965 when it equaled $3.96. In which year was the minimum wage the lowest in real terms? In real terms, the minimum wage was lowest in 2005 when it equaled $2.65. Nominal GDP is equal to $10 trillion. Real GDP equals 9 trillion. What is the GDP price index? The GDP price index is nominal GDP over real GDP times 100. The nominal GDP is 10 trillion over 9 trillion times 100 is 111.1. Suppose Sally has saved $1,000. Sally wants 3% interest rate on her savings. So what nominal interest rate would she need to receive if the inflation rate is 7%? The real interest rate equals the nominal interest rate minus the inflation rate. Rearranging this formula shows that the nominal interest rate equals the real interest rate plus the inflation rate. To get 3% interest rate with the 7% inflation rate, Sally needs the nominal interest rate to be equal to 3% plus 7% or 10%. True or false? And multiple choice.